We'll guide you through how to make a Roblox shirt on mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this whether you go and use a mobile, a tablet, an iPad, it doesn't matter. We're keeping this guide broad so you can go and follow along. So being able to go and create your own shirt is really cool because you can go and make custom clothing. You can go and make it to your liking and go and make it look how you want it to. So make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss something important that you need to go and know for making your shirt, getting onto Roblox, and we'll even guide you through how you can go and put it on sale. So people can then go and buy it and you can go and earn Robux from it. So make sure it's his full guide and let's go and get into this. So to do this, we are going to be using an app, but you can get this app on the App Store, the Google Play Store, it doesn't matter. So you can do it on iPhones, iPads, Android, it doesn't matter. So, but first we need to go and get the template for making shirts, so we need to go and get it. So what you can do is come out of Roblox and open a web browser of your choice. So I use Safari, but you could use Chrome, it doesn't matter. So you can come to a search engine, and what you then want to do is go and type in Roblox shirts template, like so, and you want to scroll down and find the Roblox Creator Hub, tap there. Scroll down and you're going to go and find the shirt template here. Tap and hold your finger on it and you can press save to photos. You've now got the template that we're going to need. Now we're going to go and use an app called Canva. So you can go and open up the Play Store or App Store and press search and type in Canva and it goes and looks like this. So there is a pro version to this, but we can go and use the free version. So once you've got it, we can go and find it. As you can see, here it is. We can go and open it up. Now what you want to do is press create in the bottom left, scroll down, you can find upload and find photo library. Then you can go and select it and press the tick in the top right, and there it is. So you can go down and press use in a new design and wait for it to load, and here it is. So in the top left, that's how it's going to go and look when it all folds up. We're covering two ways. Either you can have a solid color for your shirt, or you can use a texture or a pattern. First of all, we're going to guide you through having a solid color, and then second of all, we'll show you using a pattern. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here, and you want to go and find the option for elements. Then you can go and press search at the top, and you want to go and type in rectangle, and there it is. Go and tap on it. We've now added one in. At the bottom, choose the color. I'm going to go and set this to white. Make sure you go and draw this and you go and adjust the size of it, but you want to make sure that it goes and covers up the colored blocks here. So you can then go and click off it just to go and check it. You need to go a little bit higher. Then with it selected, press the duplicate button, which is the square with the plus in. And what you can then do is go and keep adjusting this. And then what you can do is go and duplicate it again. And you can go and do this for the arms as well. Then you can press duplicate and we'll do it again. If it tries to go and be magnetic with it, you may just need to go and zoom in to be a bit more precise. I'll show that in a moment. But for now, we can go and keep resizing it like this. And I'll then just go and zoom in so I can be a bit more precise. And then what you can do is go and duplicate that. Then you can go and position it just like so. We'll do the same thing for the other, tap on it and press duplicate. And we can then go and get it fitting over here, just like so. We've now successfully completed it. So to change the color, you can go and tap on it and press color. And of course, you can then go and choose a different one. And you can go and repeat that for the others or keep them different colors, is up to you. But now, if you want to go and have a pattern, which I think goes and looks cooler, what we can do is we can come back to our web browser. There are different sites you can use. You can go and use Pexels, Pixabay. In this case, I'll use Pexels. So we'll come to pexels.com. Then you can go and search. So here I could go and type in pattern or texture. So I'm going to go and tap pattern. And then you can start scrolling through here and finding these different options. So you can go and keep going until you go and find one that goes and grabs your attention. I quite like this here. So I'll tap on it, press free download. I'll just press view. Then we can go and tap and hold our finger on it and go and press save to photos. And we can come and return here and we can press camera roll and we can then go and select it. Press add to page. And then what you can do is once again, is you can go and make it fit the design. So you could go and make it like this and you can then go and start cropping it by tapping and holding. And you can go and adjust it to go and fit it. So you just go and do what you need to do. And just like we did it with those shapes, you can do that as well. But to go and crop instead of resize, you use those bars instead of the corner points. So as you can see, I've now successfully done it. I'll duplicate another by tapping it again. And we can go and use the bars to go and expand it again. And as you can see, you really can just go and adjust it to how you need to go and get it to fit. So yeah, I'm just going to go and adjust this exactly to how I need to go and get the desired look. I've now got it fitting to how I want. Now what you can do is you can go and start adding in different things. So what you could do is you can come back to your search engine. Now you can go and start adding in other things. For example, your logo, you could add in text or another image. So we can return to the web browser. Let's go and say I want to go and add in the GuideRealm logo. I'll search for it and press images. Here it is. I'll tap and hold on it and press save. Of course, you could do this with your own and press the tick in the bottom right if you see it there, then press camera roll and you can select it and I'll press add to page and there it is. Then what I can do here is I can go and select it and use those corner points to go and resize it to how we want it to be. So I can go and put it right in the middle there and just go and adjust it to how we want it. I'll go and zoom in to be a bit more precise and there we go. You go and get the idea. Now what you can do is go and start in it and adding in other things as well. Press the tick. Once again, you could add in more photos, add text. You can also go and add in shadows and filters as well. So for example, I could go back out of this and what you want to do is you can go and type in Roblox shirt shader and you can actually go and find these here. So this is the free one somebody's gone and created. Go and add it into the design. And of course, there are other elements you can go and add in Canva as well. So customize it to your liking. And then we can go and save it by pressing the download button in the top right. And it'll go and say preparing. And then we can go and press save image, just like so. Now what we can do is we can come out of here and we're going to need to upload it to Roblox. So come to Roblox and you can press more in the bottom right. Then you want to go down and find create. Press the three lines in the top left and you want to press creations. At the top, press avatar items. Scroll along at the top and press classics. And where it says filters, click there, press classic shirts. You can press upload asset and then press upload and press photo library and you can select it and press the tick. Now you can come down here and you can go and give it a name. So I could go and name this the GRV shirt like so. Add a description as well and you can scroll down and press upload. It does cost you 10 Robux, so go and tap there if you're sure you want to do it. So press upload if you're sure you want to do it and you can go and wait. Now you'll need to press avatar items again at the top, scroll along and find classics and where it says filters, select classic shirts again. Scroll down. Now here it is. Now you are going to be able to go and wear it now for yourself. I'll show you that. But if you want to go and put it on sale, you can go and tap on it like so. Make sure on sale switched on. Scroll down and the floor price is 5 Robux. Enter in the amount you want to add on to it. So if I want it to be 20, I'll add 15. You can set a do not price below. Choose if you want regional pricing and you can choose different locations. I'll have them all. And then if you want to go and publish it, you'll need to go and press that there. And you are going to have to go and pay to go and publish this. So I'm going to go and press pay and publish. You can see it's 10 Robux. And as well as that, you do need to have Roblox Premium, the 1000 package to go and put it on sale. So now we've gone and done that. If you want to go and wear it, you can press avatar at the bottom. Then what we're going to do is go and press customize at the top. And you can go and scroll along and find clothing. And then you can go and find shirt classic. And then you can go and tap on it. It's still loading, but I can still go and tap on it. And as you can see, there it is. That is a cool shirt that we've just gone and made. That's it. That is how you can go and do it. I've got others here I can go and use as well. So you can go and find one you go and like the look of, or you can make more as well, of course. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.